Hey, no good thing we banyuot wegin kin. The tayan thin, a part of rumajing, quite talk rumajing. Quite the tayan thin, a cholin Bangalore, le war chway. So, Tahoktin, let me just zoom it so that you can see where the cows are. Okak jagating, Okak anyud war Bangalore dit. War chol Bangalore dit kinyut kektin. Bangalore the atay ko chien. Ku chak ting tan. Kenenyin. Yen ken. Ay akwa kapat. Guru mani chatem ko motor ke chini piwon ki kan. It goes all the way like that. Kin. Tuwar wer chway. Nyine chidong chien tan. Lakin nyin ken achiba to gwang tok kene gwang ken. Ti jap la nyal kede. Gwang la war chol ding. So ke nyin ken ba cha ke lan choro. Raun chen nyin ken cha kin. Asa che motor che gelam you see? Motor che gelam. La balu crossed real. Let me show you. Kin. Achiban to gel nyin ke ge to thon to ke chol gwang to thon taban. Ti che chol gwang ke tanyal. Na lel ke nyin ke to wi ke tay pin taban. Fa nyin ke chi chak man chi war chway kan. Let me zoom it if you can see those green. Aywa. Kene war chway kan. E war kene war chway. So mun war chway la jall le mu yom pach. Mun mu yom pach le jall le war kwel. Mun war kwel le tek numero kene ci la mar jall gu chicken dugret bu dug twet guk. Mun twet guk le chalti chalit war chwong war kod war shum ku le bag lol. Ku chicken bag la bala daw le bag hor dug lol le war wut le war yiw le managañ le war liel le lot le war awañ ku dug lol. Ku nyin tok ci la bag war chol dong le bag gar le bag ñukut le bag jol biong le bag maker kene toj ma per ken ci jall e le bag man kan jog la godi fa raw a ci ben ba long da ku ci loy a ca ci piwa ci ga divert from lol actually to ane e kek like kwet ake jall bi lol kwani bil jall bi la bag joy le bag tweng da len katin le kin piwa ci divert a chen ga nyin pan chol nyin awer a ci ga nuet ku bi ke ko udap ba ko la yar taban ku pet ke chen wer ko deng de wane tek ku bi ding bi ku le chal so menen ben wer en ben ding dina ci nyin tin to ko ci chak u ba pat Bangalore gwen kin kinasa so pi cha ga tingak api abor ba ko nyini ku abor li ututui te le yin bala man bala gwen akol lo ba ken yuar chum mun tin bor ngor keget gwen ki ci go bebe je ben bay to kila war chum na bor war chum ta lolum ko chiget no a chiget Turalei rumajing a part of Turalei. I can even zoom it so that you can see the houses. And if you can see those palm trees, let me zoom it so that you can see the palm trees. Those are houses, and our home, where I just came from, Pandaka. Let me zoom it so you can see. You see some kind of a milk structure there. That is our home now. And our home is part of the hair strip, Turalei hair strip. So, abor chukwa hit Turalei, kwa kila wer shum na pet, pan chola pet, wer shum ne lot, kwene baji, kwene la chir, ongor kila, kwa kini chiget. So you see what the nature, creates. Because back in the days, lolo yoku pinga chutul kujo 1 month, a deal 1 month munok, oja ben dot. Laki now it takes only 3 days to reach us here. And it spends 1.5 months bijala pet, jana judge. That's mean a chirad wel yani woka chikang ben abor ku chitene ne min fruit bu kang abor twen a chidong pin so nyin ken nyodwek nyin kishat ken so asa ji tek numero 1 tayar bora I ben through war kwel bu jaben war shay ku bu jabe dug Bangalore lakin mun tin a chikang jal Bangalore be to chiten fa asa lad war kwel na kan wor kegetin ko chila war shay man because of this stream zero created so raw. But like we Twic, we meet by then. I don't know how she Twic walk but by being distracted. Well, it is a blessing, I don't know, because kitchen thing in right pin tamar. Irin Yinkin is about 70 meters deep. Kuna chitiang it becomes 100 meters deep. Kuna temu enko tabana ko regichilo rock, you see. So the depth is about 70 meters deep. Kuna le tiang it goes to 100 plus 120. Lakin with the gal is about 120. Allow you so for when bulwele katem bulwele ka par ka lointin na lwe katem ko rogwengi so in a gog joja ka nok den beito ko ko choklo ruma jing te tiok ba I can knock every year. But this is the information you need to learn, that in the near future this place abiro obichole war ku ko ba Sudan Turalei another havoc apart from this cattle wrestling loiren mutini big band we face because nyin kichi and I don't know. This question goes to does it go to the government? And of course, it's the national government because we're got a Ministry of Wildlife, and if they can come up with a way in which they can control this invasion of the hippos, because the population of hippo has grown so much over the years, and I think this is the reason why they are all over the places, looking for where to graze, and that has resulted to a lot of streams being created. This is the little information we that we're expecting another disaster, because by leave alone the danger in attacked and all this, because there are a lot of been attacks from hippopotamus for the last 5 years and a lot of killing by hippos. So that's the biggest problem. I'm still going to cross. I don't know how deep it is now. I'm still going to cross to Mujung Short common. So I want to try see how I can be able to cross, whether it will be easy or not. Just watch. Mujung Short. And then I'll extend to Gwang Tid. Gwang Tid is part of Gwang Mujung Short. I've managed. Shut them, eh? See, it's still not very deep. Let me examine it with my feet. Think he picked shit, no? Okay. Pick a shang long taban. Pick a shang long. Kugaleka, maybe Nale Gal Donum. Ka pick deer cow. We are a madia from inside because chokro elu gram. Chokro gram. Elu stick. Kutiop your hole, kutiop nina man. I think na chok ting num nyal kachido katiop biping. So a good randa to Quirolo kadut. Ting ke chokro lo kene. Fire and land gun. A chiban go jating chide our wildlife population. Lakin it's very destructive. Eku biting luyen. Well can take a kawi bagala work. To work I make. Tishi by banalurat rin bachela kawara pay. Though cattle wrestling kirolo baitan manuating kene yet yang weng wuka chicken kuonim kaka wonim don't need can chatting wound can chol wound yet can yama you can and then behind it there is another chum can chol rear I would go my Sudan Turalei I think but I take a parliament because you got a chitterthin I say would ben much even she won't be talked and that waka cutting kaka jalpan chol palaj wako ka ting dan ala jal palaj yimna to jalman kere to ko ne ke jalden ata beyond lori at ko la le ko nyai. Thank you very much.